Every touch feels accidental, like it's not supposed to begin. We pretend we don't notice how our shadows intertwine. Every step is hesitation, every look is crossing line. We're almost something never was, stuck between the now and that. Almost love, almost stars, burning out before they fall. We're almost something never true, too late to run, too soon to choose. Almost me, almost you. In this moment, nothing's new. Your name echoes in the dark, like a sound that doesn't stop. Say we're fine, say it's cool, but we both know that's not true. If tomorrow comes too fast, we'll pretend this didn't last. Leave a night where it belongs, in a half-forgotten song. We're almost something never ours, stuck between the now and night. Almost love, almost stars, burning out before they fall. We're almost something never true, too late to run, too soon to choose. Almost me, almost you. In this moment, nothing's new. When the beat begins to fade, we won't ask what we became. Almost close, almost gone, still dancing when the lights turn on. Almost something never ours. We don't talk about tomorrow, we don't ask what this could be. Every touch is borrowed time, every look's a memory. Your lips say don't get closer, but your hands don't let me go. In this room of empty faces, you're the only thing I know. We're lost in the afterlife, and the night won't tell us